This is what we took. But this is what I posted anyway. We literally rejected this zone straight off the bat. I was putting this in the chat for ages. We were like, reached the standard deviation, so I wanted it to come down anyway. And then we were testing this key level here, and then it literally failed this key level on mark open. So I was like, yeah, this is gone. And then we had the target of the daily volume imbalance. See that shit? That was the target. Pretty textbook stuff right there. Took this, exited at the imbalance fill or CE, went a little lower, and then we had this again, another setup, because we closed below the CE of the volume imbalance. So I was just like, yeah, we can short this again, range squeeze, and then we had expansion downwards. So that was pretty textbook as well. That was pretty much it for the NQ trade. What else can we speak about? We had Bitcoin. We were doing that all day. We were on that shit. What are your thoughts on this Bitcoin right now, Thomas, mate?
I'm still bullish.
Yeah,
I'm very much still bullish.
The fact that we're still holding this zone after so many tests is still bullish in my opinion.
I'm still in that weekly support resistance flip.
Yeah.
I mean, we've been ranging in that kind of all day.
Yeah, it can't really decide where it wants to go now. Like I was saying, if we break that level, we're coming down to like 100k, probably this kind of range where the institutional limits are set on the book map.
Yeah, I don't see going like, people are saying like 70k.
Nah, if there was a sustained break below 100, maybe we could come down to like this level range. But that's just, I don't see that happening. There's too much hype around it. But for now,
I'm still way bullish.
Yeah, for now we just gotta wait. This is just boring. Like,
I think hopefully tomorrow, Friday, there's quite a lot of news as well.
yeah,
USD.
we'll have to see
So,
with the news. Probably get a Donald Trump tweet in there. Maybe it could push it up a little bit. That would be nice.
well, I actually saw he was posting about the tariffs.
Yeah. What was he saying about that?
It was like 115% tariffs or something.
Yeesh. Probably not that good.
No.
If that was gonna happen, then you'd see the 100k. Then you see the 100k. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Still bullish. Still buying.
There you go. Trump announces tariffs on China will be at 155% as of November 1st.
Hell no. Well, and that's like confirmed, or he's just doing one of his shitty trade deals again.
Yeah, probably. I mean, a lot of people are tweeting about it, but you
Yeah.
never read.
Gold holding support. This actually rejected quite nicely as well. Put that in the. I think I put that in the thing. I need to double check that. Don't want to be
I
lying
think gold's just
about it.
waiting.
Yeah, I put that in. Gold hit the PRZ. So we'll have to see on that. But the fucking weekly chart is insane. Like that. What the hell? What kind of a week? What kind of a weekly chart looks like that? That's literally crazy.
I saw people tweeting saying like 8 weeks bullish, 9 weeks bullish. All you have to do is strategy for gold is wake up and buy gold.
Yeah, literally the move. Buy on the retracement.
Yeah.
Like there. I want to speak. Someone put in the chat something about Tesla earnings.
Oh yeah,
I was looking at it. I think we're gonna be bullish Tesla earnings. We've already priced it in here. Like, what's this move? Like 4% almost. Like, I honestly, the technicals aren't actually looking that good. Like, we could just dump off of this right down to here, but fundamentally, it should be a good earnings call.
When is it?
It's tonight. That's why someone
right.
was asking about it. As soon as market closes, they're announcing earnings. Yeah, they had that robo taxi stuff as well.
Oh yeah.
Not, I don't know if people actually care about that, but I mean, from an investment perspective, it's not that bad. I had this in my notes as well. We should have we should have held them calls we called out yesterday in the chat. We put it was 672 puts on SPY, and I had them expiring in 3 days. I know I don't really like to do the 0 DTE shit, but this would have been nice. We were just literally early on that. We weren't wrong. We were just early. Right, now let me speak about the options plays, because this was my final talking point.
Crazy options.
Yeah, this. I'm just gonna go over this trade we took again. The BYND. Honestly,
Bro, everyone is putting on Twitter like
they were hopping on the bandwagon late on that.
mate,
We got in early on that shit. That was a nice play.
I've been posting everywhere like
yeah.
At 0.9.
That was.
I see everyone saying, "Oh, I got in at $1. I got in at $2."
Anything. It literally sold off today because, like I said, I literally said I was going to scale out of it today as well. Because like, who wants to buy it at $7? No one wants to buy fucking Beyond Me at $7. We are still holding this zone, which is actually like a key level. If you can trade above these moving averages again, you might get another push up to 10. But I don't see it going much higher than that. Pretty much over now, in my opinion. And I'm not really concerned whether it is or not. That was it. We already caught the move. I was literally just scanning for stuff. I saw this. This is crazy. What was the open interest on these calls? Oh, let me get this up. The 2026 February calls, 842 volume and a 2,695 open interest with a 93.5% straddle premium, and it's literally a ticker no one's heard of in their life. Noodles. Look at this volume. Wait, I'm going to show you this volume. Yeah, because this actually looks interesting. Look at no volume. Its whole like career. Well, maybe back here a little bit. But then look at this. Like, what happened here? Nothing happened.
Did you call that?
No, I didn't call that. I'm calling it now range breakout and then $3.50, I think. I mean, we're just ranging right now. Today, since we got first move up. But if you got a range breakout, you can look. Let's go higher. What else did we call? I'm just going to go through all of these and then you can just say whatever you want. This is actually, fundamentally, it's actually a good play because quantum computing stocks quite high valued, and this already pumped like last week, I think. And this is just like a nice little retracement play. If we break out again, we've already filled this 1 hour volume imbalance. If we can break out again, we can target this again. That's pretty much it for that. This ticker, PLTR, Palantir. Still holding that. Got a nice little move off that actually since we put it in the thing. Up like $3, I think. Yeah, like 2.5 right now. I said that go either way, but there's a lot of call volume on that, expiring in 2 days. So yeah, this one. I'd wait for a retracement here. We are actually got support here, which we're holding. We could just carry on from here. But realistically, you'd want to see this for the best move. This. Sabre. What actually happened here? Kind of just rejecting this a little bit. You'd obviously need that breakout again for the gap fill. And then this, which actually hit take profits today on the calls. Kind of just dumped straight after it hit our first take profit as well. when did I call that? I think we called that Monday before pre-market. So if you got in as soon as pre-market opened and then traded to the resistance zone, that's 96% on the stock. So that was good.
So we're still in this weekly. So we were resisting here weekly. Started about December last year. So we've kind of been stuck at this point for a year.
Yeah, that's like the psychological.
And this was after the bull run from when Trump got elected and we passed 100k. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
And then we just flipped it. Now we're supporting. We haven't even closed below the consequent encroachment yet. I mean, it's maybe this week. But we still got
you have to see that.
So.
Yeah.
And we also wicked. This is a 4-hour, I think, or a daily order. Daily order block of imbalance. So this is what I was saying about in the source bit of the server about order block of imbalances and how they kind of work.
Yeah.
And so this one was actually a swing low. So we got printed a lower low.
Yeah, yeah.
So I actually really like these levels, and they've formed pretty good rejections. You can probably sometimes you can trade these with just no other confluences and just get a wick into one of these and long or short, whatever. So we saw a nice rejection off of that. I honestly don't think we're gonna come back to like this level. Maybe we'll take this low, but to be honest,
no, I don't think
if
so.
we do get to this low, then we're gonna take that, obviously.
Yeah.
I don't think we can get that far. 4-hour.
Looking like nothing. Looking like it's
what
just
is
squeezing
price
together.
action? Look at this. What is this price action?
We're literally just squeezing.
So bad. But this is holding this area here is holding really nicely.
Yeah.
This support here, we kind of broke it, but I mean, it doesn't matter that much. I'm still bullish. I don't think anything's gonna change my mind about being bullish.
Yeah.
Sometimes it changes. I did have this call.
Pull that up.
You can't really see I actually posted it as well. So I called this 9 hours ago.
Yeah.
Gave it to the Discord I think an hour before I actually posted it on Twitter. So had this call, thought it would work. And only we came down, broke this low, but still it sort of played out. We got above this point, which is the high that I really wanted.
It's still not invalid, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's still, you still class that as you're in the trade, you know what I mean?
So this was definitely an entry point.
Yeah.
It's just kind of annoying how Bitcoin just doesn't want to move, because I remember we got here and then everyone was saying in the server we've just dumped 5% or whatever.
Woke up in the morning, bro. Open my phone and that is on my screen.
It's just, mate.
Nah.
We're just
squeezing
sort of in this range here.
Yeah. We'll break out of this soon though. You can't trade like that forever. That's insane.
We also had the power 3.
The manipulation leg. You can't. Yeah, you manipulated down past the.
Yeah, so we had this range here. This was the manipulation, and I thought, well, actually, this was my main target. This high here, pretty much 110k, actually a little bit further down, but that was the target. But then again, we have this order block of imbalance here, so I thought, maybe that's my target, because things like these where we react really, really well off of these areas. I thought, I may as well have stop loss here, take profit here. But then when we do eventually break that, we'll definitely retest that, push higher, flip this resistance. I mean, this kind of doesn't exist anymore. There's nothing there.
It's not really.
You got this trend here though. I wouldn't even be surprised if we take it out. So anything above this level here is just pure liquidity. With so many orders.
Nah,
even all of these.
Even on the lower time frame, we still got to squeeze. You can see, zoom in a little bit. We got that trend line squeeze, like, it can't go on like that forever.
Hopefully tomorrow we see something good.
Yeah, we'll wake up. We'll either see everything gone, or we'll see a Lamborghini on our phones, pretty much.
Yeah. I wanted to get like an 8% move today, but it doesn't really matter.
What they got? CPI. When's
So
that? Friday.
3 CPI.
What are the
Personal
FOMC
inflation.
members talking about? Anything about Bitcoin?
Voting members.
Boring.
What was that?
Nothing interesting.
Testify over oversight financial.
Oh, regulators. They might be talking about Bitcoin. Financial regulators.
I did see that there was something today.
I saw Trump wanted to keep that. I don't know if it's old news or anything, but he wanted to keep that 0% on crypto gains.
Oh, here we go. Trump wants the US to boost its BTC reserves.
We'll also explore new pathways to accumulate additional Bitcoin holdings for the reserve, provided it's done at no cost to the taxpayers. We don't want any cost to the taxpayers. In addition,
so anyone watching this is a pretty good strategy. It's the one I trade with on NASDAQ. Simple, I mean, we could probably I won't do this now because we need more people for me to do this. But I'll explain the strategy and everything about it. It produces crazy moves. This here, 885 ticks.
Yeah.
I mean, that probably won't actually be my take profit. That would be my take profit, but still, 703 ticks. If you're trading now with 2 minis, that's 7k.
Yeah.